So we're going to teach you some tricks today. They're going to help you understand anxiety. They're going to help you understand depression. They're going to help you understand resilience. They're going to help you understand attachment, change, all these things. How was the overall experience? Did you enjoy yourselves today?
Yes, it was a lot of fun.
Very
we learned a lot
inspiring.
about. It's really, really, really good. I really enjoyed it.
And we're going to help you craft. We're going to give you the tools and the techniques to learn.
It's very fun, energetic. Getting to learn about mental health and then getting over your fear.
I want you to take one step forward again if you've ever had to deal with depression.
You know, how you can talk about some deep subjects without, worrying about getting judged or whatever.
Stress and how to deal with it, and life issues and how to get through it.
Now allow yourself to relax and breathe deep. Breathe in for 4, out for 8.
I really like the breathing, the in for 4 and out for 8. That was really good. Also the dancing, just kind of like, it's like really different to anything I've ever done, but it's really, really fun.
Boat, boat, boat. Nice. Down, bring it up, 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 up. Then slide, push, slide, push, slide, push, slide, push.
What was the main things that you think you took away from this today?
No shame. I usually wouldn't be the one to get up in front of everyone and dance, so this just put me out of my comfort zone a bit.
What's the best part of it that you've really enjoyed?
The dancing.
The dancing?
Really
Yeah, amazing. And what have you created? A cool dance?
Yeah.
Hey.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And shake. And legs.
And you guys are doing a dance performance soon? Are you excited?
Just a bit nervous.
We'll be right. So.
No shame, no shame.
Other way.
I find in the hip hop like real cultural,
I feel strong, I feel amazing. My life's great and my soul's gonna save it. I'm waking up to the world I'm creating, breaking through the fear like a weed through the pavement.
So now you got word association. So word association is the fastest way to get up your lyrical content in a short amount of time.
What you know about Skirvin on the version? What you know I'm blind, skipping class in incursion.
Yeah, it's my time to shine bright like a highlight. Calling me a player, brah. I'm the Ender Dragon Slayer. I'm goated on the sticks, and these other lads ain't slick, trying to mess up my grind with all their negative energy. Man, they wasting their time. Was getting involved with crime.
I was in the passion group and we got to talk about what everyone wanted to do.
So leadership, okay, and then metalwork again. So you're like into engineer.
And it was really just interesting being able to hear what other people were passionate about and how they were going to pursue that in their life.
We've never experienced anything like this at our school.
You can either be the victim or you can be empowered by what's actually happening. And then a part of that empowerment is forgiveness. What was the best thing that you reckon you took that's going to help you in life?
To let go of things and to forgive.
Passion and forgiveness, I think, they're the most important things, because if you forgive and you've got a passion, that's kind of, you're set for life.
Do you think this is stuff that should be done all throughout Australia? Kids learning about these understandings and mental health and stuff like that?
Definitely, all the time.
Yes, definitely. I think so many adults never learn this stuff, and you can kind of see that in the way they act sometimes.
The school's trying to do programs like this more often, but they're not as fun, not as engaging.
Well, they don't teach us about that stuff, which they should, because it's very important in our future.
If we teach kids young, then they're going to be more emotionally intelligent adults.
Absolutely. I think that kids should be able to understand and learn more about how to properly express their emotions without being violent.
I rock up to school, I'm laughing away, but really I wipe up the tears off my face. I feel like I'm fading away slowly, day by day. I want someone to grab me by my side and tell them I'll be alright. I'm slowly on my grind, just want mum to be proud of me just by the look in her eyes. Done.
It's a good way to express. It should be taught around a lot of schools.
It's probably one of the best workshops I've ever done in school, so yeah.
Just
really,
thank
really
you
good.
for coming and showing us, because it's been a great experience.
Yeah. glad that for like our generation we get this.